What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I got the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you. Please note this is the Chinese version and it doesn't come with a charger inside, but if you get the global version it might have the charger and with a different packaging. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. So we're in the box. You just as you can see, it's a slim box and you have the specs at the back. This is the 12 gig RAM and 512 gig storage, and you got the printed Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra on the side. Lift this up. What's in here? You get the SIM eject tool there. And then there's some instructions, and then you get the plastic cover of it. And here's the phone itself. And that's it. There's nothing else in the box. Let's take this off. This is one with the ceramic back. So on the top we have a speaker grill, and the sound, as you can see there, is tuned by Harman Kardon. And then we got infrared blaster and the microphone. On the side we have the power button, and then the volume up and down on there. And then at the bottom we have another speaker grill, and then the microphone, USB-C, and then the SIM card tray on there. On this side is nothing. Yeah. So at the back we have that huge bump there for the camera. And then we have a triple setup camera with 120 times zoom on there. This is a ceramic back. It's attract a fingerprint very easily, as you can see there. So there you go. On the back we have that 1-inch screen in there, which you can personalize it by going onto the settings and then go to special features there, and then choose the rear display, and here's where you can customize it to what you want to show there. You can change to put the clock, signature, or put an image. You can change the text color, the alignment, size, fonts, spaces, and then you can choose to display the time and date and notification. Yeah, once you do, then just apply, and then it would show at the back. And then here's, you can change the time, or if you want to display for 10 seconds, 15 or 30 seconds. You cannot have the screen on permanently at the back at the moment. When it's off, you just turn it, and then if you tap on that, and then it will show. This phone is fully spec'd with all the latest specs. It comes with a Snapdragon 888. This has 12 gig of RAM and 512 UFS 3.1 storage. It's coming with the latest glass protection, Gorilla Glass Victus, and they support 120 Hz refresh rates, which is very smooth. Okay, here's a few sample images for you. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can install the global ROM onto this phone or unlock the bootloader, please make sure you subscribe and enable notifications so you get notified when those video goes live. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you on the next one.